If your side mirrors wiggle and vibrate, Mustang Geek has a solution. The Mustang Geek Side Mirror Vibration Gasket Kit restores your side mirror's vibration isolation so it stops jiggling. The Mustang Geek Side Mirror Vibration Gasket is precision cut from rubberized cork so it damps vibration and lasts longer than the factory foam isolator. The kit includes 2 gaskets, one for each mirror. Start by removing the mirror using a 90-degree pick and carefully prying the tabs away from the mirror mechanism. Remove the factory foam gasket, or what's left of it, and replace it with the Mustang Geek gasket. You can apply some grease to the tabs to make installation a little easier. Align the mirror to the mechanism and firmly push on the mirror until you hear multiple clicks and the mirror is mounted securely. Easy. Another problem solver from Mustang Geek. Available now on the Mustang Geek website at mustang-geek.com.